week, Big Brother fake evicted Tacha and Sheyi to a section of the Big Brother house known as the Secret Room. The housemates, who were obviously clueless about this, openly expressed their shock and opinions on the eviction. A lot of them were sad for Sheyi, to see his quote and unquote good deed lead him to his exit, while on the other hand, a number of them were indifferent about Thatcher's exit. She's been saying she'll be there till 99 days. With 3 housemates gone, the mood in the house changed drastically. Well, the housemates nominated one another this week, up for eviction, and Kathy won the veto power for the week. A lot of us were anticipating the drama and probably tears that would ensue if both Gedoni and Kathy were put up for eviction at the same time. I was wondering if she was going to save herself or if she was going to save Gedoni. The housemates were asked by Big Brother to clean and prepare to receive special guests who have come in from far. All of the housemates started prepping, ironing their outfits, cooking, cleaning, but in the end their special guests turned out to be Sheyi and Tacha. I was surprised at their initial reactions, to be honest. Maybe it was shock because they were so much excited to receive them. What was even more shocking was that Tacha was hugging the housemates like she missed them. But one housemate who was blunt was Mike, who expressed to Tasha that he has no issues whatsoever with her coming back, but that he had been happy when she left and he hoped for her sake that she had changed her attitude. I was expecting a blow up, knowing the Tasha that we would watch for the past weeks. But Tasha just shocked everyone. She just had a one-on-one conversation with Mike and she expressed herself. Sheyi became rather quiet and reserved. This guy started wearing shades in the house, just started avoiding people, started keeping to himself, and I was wondering what exactly happened. And then the housemates presented their task to Big Brother. The task, which involved them dressing up as high school students and presenting a painting portrait of one another, was both hilarious and entertaining. Mike's depiction of the character of a student and his painting of Jackie was also impressive. Fraud, who has proven himself to be a good actor thus far, also impressed with his acting skills. But his painting of Esther was nothing to write home about. It was funny, it was so small, and lacked any form of artistry. But the paintings of the night were from the duo of Nelson and Sodi, which looked thoughtful and creative. And in the end, said this painting was selected as the best, and as such he won some Bbnaija coins. For the Friday arena games, the housemates dressed up as police officers, and the arena was transformed to a crime scene. Sodi came out tops and won for himself 400 Bbnaija coins, and Ike was second with 200 Bbnaija coins. When the housemates returned to the house, Esther discovered that her coins, 400 coins, had been stolen. Now remember that Big Brother had legalized the stealing of coins. Ike with the sauce, Ike with the pepper, stole Esther's coins. And why? Because he wanted to teach her a lesson for messing with Nelson. Actually, I was impressed with this guy's guts, and Mercy could see right through him. She knew he took the coins, even though he denied it in front of everyone, and she advised him to return it back because she had no issues with Esther. But keep in mind that Ike's original plan was to steal the coins and hide them in Nelson's drawer, thereby causing tension between Esther and Nelson. But this guy here just wants to mess up the whole game and play everyone. But in the end, he returned the coins, and he and his partner Mercy made plans to steal more coins from other housemates. But Mercy, who has suddenly developed a dislike for Gedoni, tells Ike that she feels Gedoni is only using Kathy, and that Kathy applies makeup on her face every single day just to impress Gedoni, and for that fact she's not being herself. But on Saturday night, the party night as usual, the housemates were sent outfits by Big Brother, and to be honest, most of the girls looked as if they were attending a wedding reception, especially Kathy with the gown that she wore and then the bow. I was like, Big Brother, why did you do this girl like this? But that did not stop her ginger. Kathy was just dancing. She was her usual bubbly self. And even Diane, I was thinking that she was going to be missing Toyo, but the girl was just dancing her heart out. But a lot of people were concerned that with Toyo gone, the party was going to be dry and dead. But with a DJ as creative as DJ KY's, the party was just fun. There was no dull moment at all. And this time around, all the housemates participated on the dance floor. Diane had a little too much to drink, and was misbehaving, and Gedoni was recording her with one of the phones that Big Brother gives to the housemates every Saturday to record and capture wonderful moments. Mercy, who is one of Diane's closest friends in the house, was not having any of it and asked Gedoni to stop recording Diane, but in the end she smashed the phone and rained insults in Gedoni. He was also held back by some of the housemates to stop from following after Mercy and attacking her more. But Tasha was adding fuel to the whole thing and asked Gedoni to go after Mercy and clear her. And after all, he's schooled in Uniport. He should go there and show her what he's made of. I was like, Tasha, are you also drunk, or you're just doing this so that both of them will get disqualified and they will leave the game for you guys? But then Ike was assuring Mercy that he's going to beat up Gedoni, he's going to beat Kafi up. So Gedoni also sought advice from some of the housemates, and then he sought advice from Mike, who was the wrongest person ever. That guy stays away from drama. He runs away from drama. Mike was like, okay, yeah, sure, alright, good night. Mike does not like drama at all. But that wasn't the only drama that ensued that night, because we had Sheyi expressing his anger and irritation towards Thelma to Mercy and Ike. I'm even saying this in a very light manner. In truth, Sheyi insulted and also laid curses on Thelma's future, in fact her whole life. Alcohol just actually brings out the worst in people, to be honest. But thankfully, I'm praying for him that, I was actually just praying for him that Ebuka does not show the housemates the tape, everything that he said about Thelma. And I was just holding my breath. What if Thelma just walks in and they just start fighting and they just leave the game, But anyway, nothing of that sort happened. On Sunday morning, the housemates were prepped for their eviction and they made new hairstyles and all. And then the live show, YC performed Jagaban. It was lit, man. It was so much fun. And then Ebuka was looking nice as usual. Fashion trendsetter. It was looking good. He spoke to some of the housemates and then he asked Tasha a simple question. He says, what are the characteristics of the winner of Big Brother? And this girl said, Tasha. And I said, so you are your characteristics? And she said, yes. I was so embarrassed for her. I actually liked the girl. So I was like, Tasha, just stop talking. You're embarrassing yourself. She just didn't know what to say, And it was funny because Ebuka was insisting that she should answer the question. I was like, Ebuka, did you wake up with Tasha in your mind today? But to be fair, Ebuka grilled Gedoni last Sunday on what he said about housemates being fake. So he's just being fair, dishing out pepper to each of the housemates individually. And then the first eviction, they evicted Nelson. I'm gonna say that I was not really shocked because Nelson didn't really bring out himself in the house. He wasn't seen. He was just like Toyo, just hiding in the background, just sleeping, just so quiet. So I wasn't really sad to see him. And now the second eviction. Yes, they had 2 evictions on Sunday. Thelma, of all people, was evicted. Guys, I was sad to see Thelma go because she's lively and she definitely adds something to the house. The drama, the bluntness. I wasn't expecting that she would go, but then again, I guess she didn't have a lot of fans and she had to go for this week. So I wish Thelma all the best too. Let's see what she does outside of the house. So what do you guys think about last week? Do you guys think the guys are bringing the pepper? Do you guys think the season 4 is living up to the expectations so far, or are they still falling behind? But let us know in the comment section of this post. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you for watching. Until next time, my name is Samantha Mahmood. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Plugtv Live. Goodbye.